Hello friends, this is the secret. Just 2 days eating this, my tummy was flat. This will improve your gut health, boost your metabolism, activate your system to burn fat really fast, like burning fat overnight. This is so intense and very potent if you're looking to break down your fat and get your body in shape. The first thing you need is this source of antioxidant. And antioxidants are very important for weight loss or for fat burning because they fight the effects of free radical damage that has slowed down your system, preventing it from burning fat fast or preventing your system from functioning properly, leading to other sicknesses, illnesses. So this is one bell pepper you want to slice and set aside. The second very powerful ingredient, which is very filling, is this root vegetable. This is a vegetable, not a carb. This is a root vegetable and this is sweet potato. This is very filling and equally will fill your tummy up so you don't feel like eating too much, whereas with little calorie so your system can have time to break down fat super fast. I get people asking me, Risa, what do you eat? We need to see what you eat, not just the drinks you share that help you to get that flat tummy. And like, this is the secret. If you are that person who doesn't like to starve in order to lose your fat, go ahead and try this. Now the third ingredient you want to add, which is a source of fiber as well, is some carrots. They are very filling as well, will help you fill you up but with less calories. Remember, the secret to burning fat or losing fat is eating less calories, not starving yourself, but actually eating less calories. That will allow your system to burn fat and not be burning calories, heavy calories you've eaten. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So these are two carrots, plus I'll be sharing with you very powerful ingredients that boost or like facilitate the fat burning or metabolic process. So these are the first vegetables I use. And now the next thing you want to get is some ginger, which is thermogenic to speed up the metabolic rate. It will activate your system to burn fat super fast. This speeds up your metabolic rate because it is thermogenic and it equally has anti-inflammatory properties to help relieve your tummy of that air, that excess gas causing bloating, constipation, and have your tummy flat. Garlic as well. Garlic is very important because it's a natural antibiotic to fight those bacteria, destroy those bacteria, slowing down your metabolism. Those bad bacteria slowing down metabolism, ginger is what will deal with them for you, so your system can be clean and active enough to burn that fat for you super fast. So just go ahead and chop up your ginger and your garlic. I do it this way because I want these ingredients potent in the recipe. I don't want to blend, so this is intentional. You want to chop them up, so as you're eating up this recipe you get to chew some of them just to get the potency of those ingredients and have this really strong. Yeah, so the next thing you want to get is some onion. Sorry, I don't want my videos too lengthy. That's why I'm so fast. And this is onion. You want to get some onion. They equally help to boost metabolism. Not a lot of ingredients. And now, the next thing you want to get is some black pepper. This is equally good at heating up your system to burn fat and facilitating fat burning as well. Like black pepper is, you know how you put foil in your car to start? That is what black pepper does to your metabolism. It activates your system, heats up your system to burn fat. And you need just a little bit of it, half a teaspoon. And now you want to go to your stove. You want to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot. Low heat, make sure the heat is low. You don't want to all cook on high heat, and then you want to start adding your vegetables. I always start with onion. If you're a woman, you know we always start with onions. And I add a pinch of salt for taste. Add a pinch of salt and stir just to get that flavor from the onion, so this tastes good. You don't want to make this boring. And then I add in the ginger and the garlic I chopped. This is what you want to do just to get the flavors in your recipe so the meal tastes so good. Now the next thing you want to add is your sweet potatoes. This is the sweet potatoes. So the flavor, ginger and garlic are very good at boosting metabolism, and they equally make your food taste so good. So you want to add your sweet potatoes so that taste can get into it and make it so yummy. That is the black pepper I just added. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then you want to go ahead and add your vegetables. These are all vegetables. You add in your bell pepper. You want to add in your bell pepper. Like, this is so yummy. This tastes so good, so yummy. Bell peppers can make your meal taste so good, and this is equally very healthy with very little calorie but very filling, that will give your system that energy to burn fat super fast without adding calories in your system. So go ahead and add in 1 cup of water. So just add in 1 cup of water in the pot and close your pot and have this boil. Maximum not up more than 5 minutes. You should be done with this. Once you see it boiling or bubbling like this, so you don't want to cook for so long. So 5 minutes, you should be done with this. Don't allow it to cook for so long, and turn off your stove after 5 minutes. You see how it looks so yummy, tastes so good. Look at it, look at it. Very filling, but with less calories, will boost your metabolic rate, improve your gut health, and have your system to break down fat super fast. So while you're eating this, let me just share with you what you will drink throughout the day as you make this recipe. So this is what you're eating. This is an example of how I get my flat tummy in 2 days. This is what I drink and that is what I eat. So what I drink, I always love me some pineapples, because pineapples contain enzymes that speed up metabolic rate. If you want to burn fat super fast, fall in love with enzymes. Anything that has those good enzymes to speed up the metabolic rate. Speeding up the metabolic rate means everything works so fast and you burn that fat super fast. So this is half a pineapple. You want to put the pineapple in your blender and have this blended, and squeeze out the juice, and I'll share with you what to do. So you want to blend the pineapple with 1 cup of water. So go ahead and add in 1 cup of water in your blender with the pineapple and blend until it is all nice and smooth. So, and you don't want to throw the raw fish, because I said you squeeze out the juice. It doesn't mean you throw the raw fish. I'll share with you what to do with the raw fish, but it is easy. If you've been watching my videos, I don't throw my raw fish. I simply add any fruit I have at home in my raw fish to make my fat burning smoothie with. So this is it. This is typically my day, what I eat and what I drink, and have my tummy flat in 2 days. It is not magic, and you don't need to starve yourself. You just need to know the right thing to eat and the right thing to drink to get that tummy flat in no time. So this is it. Go ahead and squeeze out the juice, and voila, this is it. This is your pineapple. You end up with 2 cups of pineapple juice. You want to set this aside. And the next thing you want to do is to get some cucumber, which are very hydrating as well. As you eat them throughout the day, they support your system with the electrolytes you need to help your system break down wastes in your system, fats, toxins, and leave your system hydrated. When you're hydrated, everything works so well. Plus, cucumbers equally help to support your system to detox itself and flush out toxins. Plus, they are equally alkalizing neutralizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system against sicknesses, and you tend to be so healthy when you eat some cucumbers. Like, these are so good. So this is what I do. I simply just peel. You can leave the peel, that is fine depending on you, but this is what I do, just so I get all that juice in my recipe, in my infused in this drink. So this is what I do. And once you do this, you want to set aside. You will garnish it in the drink. The next thing you want to get is some ginger, which is equally thermogenic. You remember I always share with you that I love me some ginger because this heats up your system, activates your system to break down fat really fast. This is so effective if you're looking to break down your fat and get your body in shape in no time. 2 days maximum. With eating this and drinking this, you will have that tummy all flat and your body in shape and very healthy as well. So these are 2 thumb sizes of ginger. You want to wash your ginger thoroughly and grate the ginger into a cup. So this is what you want to do. Ginger heats up your system and activate your system to burn fat super fast by speeding up the metabolic process, so your system can break down substances in your system, or chemicals, toxins, waste build up, making you big, making you have that big tummy, that bloated big tummy, and so you can have your tummy flat and your body in shape. So these are the 2 thumb sizes of ginger. The next thing you want to get is some lemon. You want to get the juice out of the lemon, and we will be using the juice from this lemon to add in the ginger to squeeze out and get a kind of ginger lemon juice, which is very intense, helps to speed up metabolism and activate your system to burn fat really fast. So this is it. This is the juice from your lemon. You want to add in the ginger, so you can mix and get a ginger lemon juice out of these 2 ingredients. Very powerful. Yeah, so this is it. Get you your sieve and sieve out the juice, and voila, this is your ginger lemon juice to help make this recipe so potent, so intense, so you can have your results in no time. Yeah, so this is it. The next thing you want to get is some apple. Apples equally contain this enzyme pectin, which helps to speed up metabolic process as well. Your metabolic rate will be speed up with this apple. That is why doctors tell you an apple a day is just like saving your life. So because of that enzyme, enzymes are very important. Anything containing enzymes help to speed up metabolic rate, and once your metabolic rate is fast, you easily break down fats, you easily flush toxins out of your system easily flushes every bad thing out for you. So this is it. You'll be garnishing it in the drink as well, so you want to set that aside. And now the next thing you want to get is your 2 liter jar. I always use the 2 liter jar because I tend to consume 2 liters of water at least a day. So this is kind of having me do that, plus activating my system with the right thing to have my body burn that fat for me super fast. So add in some ice cube and go ahead and add in your cucumber, add in the apple, the juice from the lemon, and the ginger, and then once you add this, you want to add in the pineapple juice in your 2 liter jar, like you see me doing. Very refreshing. This will improve your gut health, your electrolyte levels. This will improve your metabolism, activate your system to break down fat really fast. So go ahead and fill your 2 liter jar up with water, fresh clean water, to achieve 2 liters, and drink this throughout the day. Drink this throughout the day and watch the magic happen for you. As you drink this throughout the day, it will boost your system and activate your system to burn fat super fast. So drink this alongside eating the recipe I just shared with you. You can drink anyhow, but just make sure you consume all of this by the end of the day of day 1 you're drinking all of this, and you can do same thing day 2 and watch the magic happen. 2 days drinking this and eating this, you have a flat tummy. And just thank me now, you don't need to thank me later. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and bye.